Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have our 2014 Toyota Highlander, and we're going to go over how you would put the bumper back on. Done all the work we need to behind it, and now we're going to go ahead and put it back on. First, you're going to bring your bumper into place. Slide it up in, and we have we want to get these trims to go down right under the light itself, and then also line the trim up over here on this side, and just press and lock it into place. Up here we have the large push pins that we'll want to install. We'll install just one for the moment. And then we want to make sure that we do the same over here. Press it to snap into place. Now, before you get too carried away, just want to make sure that you rehook up the electric connectors down there on the bottom for your fog lights on both sides, and so we still have access through the fender. All right, so got the electrical connectors all connected back up, and then the next thing that you would want to make sure that you do, and you do these on both sides, is we have this little fender skirt that we need to press in. A couple push tabs or push pins to put in here, 2 bolts, screws up here, and you would do that on both sides of the fenders. And there's 8 bolts on the bottom to put up in. One thing you're going to want to note, there's the bottom shield here. There's the tabs on it. You want to make sure that they go up in under the bumper. Okay, bumper sits like this, and you want that plastic to go up, and so that it rests on the bumper, and you get that flow that goes under and keeps it in place. So once you've done all that and worked your way around, you just got a bunch of bolts and push pins to put back in. Up top here we have all the push pins. We've got the big large push pins to put in back here, and then one down here, one right below the emblem, and one down over here that is the same as here. And then you would put this other plastic shield back on and put all the push pins that hold this in. And then you got these 2 little pieces that one goes on each side, on this side and that side, to cover that all up. And put those in, and put the push pins that hold them in, and that's how you would reinstall your bumper on your 2014 Toyota Highlander. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.